Creating a room. All options for participation. And then share a link for others. See all participant. A participant joined the room. We can have real-time chat and I can create a question to vote on and see the results. All participants can raise a hand and give a reaction emoji. I can also see my connection status. Change of view. And I can manage participants, for example, mute them all. Many other options like sharing a video, remove background noise, see participant status. Here you can paste YouTube link or direct video online and it will show it to the participants. I can also control my call quality. I can protect the call by adding a password or request before a participant joins. I can also share my screen with others and see what I am sharing with them. Here I can control this participant individually. I kicked him out. I can end the call for all participant and leave or just leave.